It is no longer a news that YouTube monetization has totally changed. Yes, starting from February 1st, 2027, you no longer need 4,000 watch hour to get monetized. Instead, you need 8,000 watch hour to get monetized, guys. This is not funny. I'm telling you, everything is becoming harder, but you don't have to panic, okay? Whether 4,000 watch hour, whether 8,000 watch hour, guys, it still depends on your niche. Yes, I will keep saying this. Plenty of people on the internet, on this YouTube channel, monetize their page within a period of 2, 3, 4 months. Yes, that is the truth, okay? That almighty 4,000 watch hour people has been, panicking about. A lot of people achieve it within 3 months, 2 months, 4 months, at most 5 months. Yes, it's happening on a daily basis here on the YouTube channel. So you don't need to panic, okay? Now, watch this video to the end. I'm going to tell you a strategy and a niche that can help you to get your channel monetized before this 1st February 2027, which means in how many months to come? This is August, right? September, October, November, December, January. In the next 5 months, if you dive into this niche and follow everything I'm going to say to you guys, you're going to get monetized. Yes. Now, this video is most especially for faceless YouTubers. Yes, faceless YouTubers. You heard me right. As you all know, this channel which you are watching me from is a first channel. It's my first channel. Okay, I have faceless YouTube channel about truth. Yes, and one is already monetized. That is the truth. Okay. Now, what is this niche that will help you? A strategy that will help you to get 4,000 watch hour before this new YouTube monetization will take effect by February 1st, 2027 is AI human anatomy. Yes, guys, this is the video here. Watch
You
it.
swallow your saliva hundreds of times every
Yes,
single day.
guys, these
even while
are
you're asleep.
called AI
But have you
human
ever
anatomy that tell people what's happening inside their body when they eat, drink, or consume anything. Yes, and I must tell you that this niche is one of the trending and fast-growing niche on the internet as we speak. Why? Because it attracts a global audience. Yes, you heard me right. It attracts people all over the world because this is what concerns every human being on this planet Earth. Yes, everybody is so curious to know what's happening inside their body when they eat, drink, or consume anything. That is the truth. Okay, so when you start creating this kind of content, believe me, I give you 3 months, your channel is going to monetize. Yes, 3 months of consistency, your channel is going to monetize. Now, before you ask, what does it take to start this niche? Okay, it doesn't take you anything. All it takes you is your time, your smartphone, and your data. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need to become a medical doctor to achieve this. You don't need to become a nurse to achieve this, or medical professional to achieve this. So guys, all you need to do is to master how to do this, okay, which I'm going to say teach you in my tutorial class. Okay, a lot of people have been asking, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse, I don't know how to come up with an idea topic to talk about. Guys, you don't need to be all of these things I just mentioned to achieve this. Yes, all you need to achieve it is your smartphone, your data, and your time. Yes, even your time, AI is going to do almost 90% of the job for you. Yes, you heard me right. Because AI has made things so very easy for us in this internet space. Okay. Now, if you're a new YouTuber or you're already a small YouTuber, but you'll be struggling to grow your YouTube channel for the past 3, 4, 5, 6 months, you are yet to achieve 500 subscribers, you are yet to achieve 1,000 watch hour, guys, for the past 3, 4, 5 months. And you're still struggling and you don't want to think about it, guys, stop wasting your time. Yes, you can abandon that niche that have been stressing you. Believe me, yes, I have done that. Yes, I abandoned one need to jump into this after months of building without any result. Okay, so instead of you to continue to waste your time and the new monetization policy will meet you, yet you have not achieved your 4,000 watch hour, it's better you dive into a niche that you will achieve this 4,000 watch hours. So very easy. Yes, AI human anatomy, people love to watch it and attract views. Yes, if you like, you can focus on short, you can focus on long. Yes, you can also combine two of them. You are going to make it, guys. When I say this, you are going to make it. Okay, so stop wasting time. If you are watching this video and you are watching this end, check the comment section. I'm going to drop a link directly to my WhatsApp community. Tap on this and join my WhatsApp community. Okay, where you get more information on how to register and start learning. Yes, guys, I give you In fact, if you're a fast learner, I give it to 4 hours, you're going to grab it. Yes, I have a student who registered 2 days ago. We registered in the right. The next morning, after I wake up, I open my WhatsApp, see her message of a 45 minutes short video she just created. Not even up to 24 hours, she go through my tutorial video. Okay, now guys, the tutorial video is a step by step that will help you to achieve all of these things. Okay, you don't need to waste, in fact, you don't need to waste a lot of your time. If you can spend at least 3 hours out of your 24 hours in a day, you're going to make it, you're going to learn this. Okay, so if you watch this video to the end, please like the video, share it for others to learn. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of watching me, and check the comment section to have the link to join my WhatsApp community. Okay, where you're going to learn 3 things. Yes, if you register for this class, you're going to learn how to create a monetizable TikTok account, how to create a faceless YouTube channel from scratch as a new beginner who have no knowledge of what faceless YouTube channel is all about. Okay, you are going to learn how to create it from scratch, optimize your page, your channel for a better visibility. Also, how to create a monetizable TikTok account. Yes, guys. Also, how to create AI human anatomy. Okay, all this is what you are going to learn. Just tap the link in the comment section and join my WhatsApp community to start learning. You have no time, just 5 months from now, YouTube monetization is going to change. Okay, now let me tell you this, guys. It's easy to build a faceless channel than face channel. Yes, though in all of these things, all you need to do is to share value, because if people are not getting value from your content, from your video, they will not keep watching, they will not subscribe. Okay, but it depends, their niche that is fast growing than others, that is the truth. Okay, and this AI human anatomy is one of the fastest niche on the internet as it speaks, because it attracts global audience. People all over the world want to know what's happening inside their body. Okay, so I want this video to the end. Congratulations, and take immediate, in fact, take action immediately. Okay, have the link in the comment section, and join my WhatsApp community. After joining, you can send a DM if you can't wait for me to drop a message to get started. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and let others learn this information. Okay, thank you for watching.